Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to share a Facebook group, okay, to the platform of choice. You can decide to share a Facebook group to Facebook or WhatsApp or any, platform you choose to, okay? And again, there are some groups that don't enable the share button, and there are some groups that enable the share button. Okay, so I'll be showing you using the group that enabled the share button to show you how to share a group, okay, to any platform you choose to. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the Facebook app. You tap on the Facebook app. Okay, so you should have the group you want to share in mind. Next, you go to these three dotted lines, you tap on it. Then you look for groups. As you guys can see here, you tap on groups. So, like I said, you should have the group you want to share in mind. Take, for instance, I want to share this group here. Tap on it. Okay, then go here at the very top right. Okay, this is the share button. Okay, it's enabled on this group. What you're going to do is to tap on the share button. Okay, so you can share the group to any platform you want to share the group to. Okay, you can share to WhatsApp, you can share to Facebook. So I want to share this group to WhatsApp. Tap on the platform you want to share the group to. Okay guys, so this is the group. Okay, I'm sharing this group here. So this is the group. You just tap on this send button, okay, to share the group. Okay, so once I open this or tap this link, it will take me back to that group. So guys, this is how to share a Facebook group to any platform you choose to. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.